Hello everyone, hope we're all having a fantastic day. So I'm back right now to actually use the Ultrade thing. Now there was some things I observed. So let me quickly show you. It's over here. If we go back to the main trading floor, there was something I observed in the main floor here. Now there's this icon over here that keeps glowing. I really don't know what that icon is doing, but it has something to do with the Ultrade actually. And also if I click on this amount thing here, the amount button, I notice that we have this Ultrade thing glowing also here. So I have a feeling that I can either maybe click on this or click on this to activate it. Now I've found this QM trade here. We have this ABC to the upside and this push to the downside. Now I've kind of marked out this area to see which of the entries will work over here. So if price comes up here, I'll definitely take a trade. I'm actually targeting this second one here, and this is the first one down here, but this second entry in the middle here above this round number, that's the one I'm targeting. That should work, though I believe the upper one also should work. Then we also have this supply at the very top here. I've not marked it yet. Let me just quickly mark it. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to bore. I might not take this trade because it's at 51%, but I want to click that button in front of everybody, so that, I want all of us to have this experience. So let me click on this Ultrade and see what happens. Okay, how does it work? Okay, it kind of gives you a open Ultrade and receive profit in your account balance. How does it work? Okay, I think I should just click this plus button. Oh good, it opens up. When using Ultrade, traders don't use their own fund. They simply set the Ultrade amount. If the trade is successful, the traders receive the net profit minus the Ultrade nominal value. I think that's exactly what they wrote in the. But the only thing I don't know yet is it a one-time thing, or like are they going to load this Ultrade into your balance and maybe you can use it little by little, or you just have to use everything once. But I'm not going to wait. I'm not going to try and find out. So let's just click on this and let's see what happens. Oh, okay. It just gives you the amount directly here. So once you click on this, then that's it. I think I like that. I think I like this. So, okay. I don't think I would be trading 51%, but I'll just keep an eye on it since it was 92% before. So I will just keep an eye on it. Let me put it in favorites. I'll remove this one so that we can only have that one. Then this is what I would do when I find a setup that I want to trade. I will hit the record button because I don't want to be here like looking for trades, up and down. It won't make sense to just waste everybody's time. So when it's time to actually take a trade, or when I'm close to it, I'll hit the record button again and let's see what happens. Okay, thank you very much. All right, welcome back guys. So I found a QM setup here. We have this ABC to the upside, then this push to the downside. So checking M3, we have this engulf. You can see the engulf. So I'm checking S30 now. We have an entry here. Let me quickly mark it before price comes there. I hope the price actually comes there. Then let's check S15. Okay, we have an entry down here. There's an entry inside the QM zone, but we're not going to take that. So I'll just mark the S15 entry, then I'll put a line here just in case we have a reaction. I'll know it's that entry. So we need to move fast because I don't want to miss this opportunity. Let me just check S10 for the fun of it. Okay, we're good. S5. Okay, we still have that entry over there. No problem. So let's go back to M1 and wait. Here we have this price channel, up, down, then up, down, then up, then down. So the market movement should be upward, and if we hit, actually this would have been the best entry. This roundabout area where the roundabout is would have been the best entry. So I may not take a trade on this particular one, but it's good for us to just mark it and have a feel for it. So let's just see how the market reacts when you get here. This roundabout will be the best place because we have this common point of rejection also. So I'm hoping that this momentum breaks up before it gets here. So I'll keep an eye on it. So let's see. I'll check other markets quickly just to there's this area of interest over here, but it's just two touch, and it should have been a very nice third touch, but there's a market manipulation here. Let's check the lower time frames to see if we'll have an entry, but it's going to be very dicey. We have a supply there, but it's not fresh. Let's see if we can have there's a fresh supply over this round number. I'm really tempted to take the trade, being the fact that that place is an area of interest in the market. Let me see. Okay, we can take the trade. If price comes here, we can take the trade. So I'll keep an eye on that also. Let's check where we're coming from. Okay, price is gradually coming close. Now there's a lot of if you check S15, I want to show you there are certain momentums that they seem as if they are strong, but they are not very strong, because inside the candles you can see both buyers and sellers activities. If you go to S10 now, you can see you have both buyers and sellers activities in this candle. That tells you that momentum is not a pure momentum. It's not like very strong, but either strong or not, momentums, one should just be careful about momentums. If momentum drives into your entry, don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. If momentum drives, like if there's a very strong push into your entry, don't trust the entry, don't take it. It's as simple as that. I remember marking this QM. There was an entry up here, but price did not get into this entry. So we can take a trade here, I'm sure. But let's just keep checking. Trading requires a lot of patience, so we need to just be very patient, and we only have one shot, so it's the more reason why we should be very patient. Now that the momentum is being broken up right now, it gives us a very good opportunity. I really want the price to come here. So this is an exhaustion candle. But if price comes here, I'll take it. If it comes up here, it may reverse from here. Okay, fine, it's coming to our entry. Please go up a little bit more. Come on. Oh, we have a doji break, and we have our lower time frame entry here. I was just wishing it would come to this round number. That would have been amazing. I really wanted to come to that round number. Okay, good. We take the trade now, and we'll leave everything in God's hands. So let's see. I believe we should win the trade. It should retrace enough for us to win. Oh, that's very close. Don't jump, please. Definitely we won it. That was amazing, and that was very close. All right, guys. So this is how the Ultrade works. So we have a $10 Ultrade amount, and we took the trade. We won the trade, and it gave us. So it's excluding the amount that is more like a borrowed amount, but now you can see we are in for $9.20. That's amazing. That's really amazing. That's really amazing. All right, guys, so that's how it is. I will come back and we will have a trading session with the $9.20, and let's see how far we can go with that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Before I go, please hit that subscribe button and give me a like on this video. It's so amazing. And I just want to thank you guys for watching. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.